Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, dropped the ball just a little bit this week. Apologies. This week's it's Manland121. I haven't seen many videos from him lately, so hope you're doing okay, brother. I will link his channel down in the description as always. Unfortunately, he doesn't have a sticker, so I can't exactly show one to you. But anyway. Well, there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description. And there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who serve. I thank you, and I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.